Okay, this is the Axis P3364-LVE. L being additional infrared lighting, V vandal resistant, E external. This particular model is the 6mm lens. Let's have a look, see what's in the box. First thing we've got is a separate box that contains the can't see what it contains at the moment, just can't get it open. Okay, we have the license authentication key for the camera. This is for if you use the Axis AVHS service, which very few people do use, but if you are going to be taking advantage of that, there's your serial number. A template for drilling the necessary cable holes, etc., depending on which mounting option you go for. The manual. That page I've opened at is all about configuring the I/O. A nice high quality star drive for accessing the camera. A pre-configured cable with high quality RJs each end shielded, and the necessary glands, plus an additional spare gland and the I/O connector. The obligatory disc containing the installation and management software. And that's it. So let's have a look at the camera itself. Now the 3364 is one of the latest generation of Axis cameras. It's a light finder camera. Light finder is the technology that Axis use, which enables you to, or enables the camera to see incredible colour detail in very low light. In fact, we've had a number of installations of these where the cameras never change into day mode. It's not a fault, it's just that they give a high quality image even in very low light conditions in the colour mode of the camera. If you ever went to get inside the camera, there are the details. There's the insides of the camera. The dome comes with the plastic cover, which you leave on until the end of installation. The only reason to remove this is if you have to get an I/O and things like that. As I showed you earlier, the camera comes with replacement grommets, and there's a number of different mounting options. You can, as standard, mount that as a standard dome camera, or alternatively you can get the external pendant kit that goes over the camera and mounts it in that orientation. The camera also features the special infrared LEDs, which give you high efficiency LED illumination, and this being one of the latest Axis cameras with the P-Iris lens, it also enables you to perform a remote focus and a remote zoom from the web interface of the camera. So that's pretty much it. It's a neat package solution, includes the cable, includes all the tools, exceptional low light performance and full infrared, although in many cases with a minimum of illumination the camera will stay in a daytime mode and give you additional colour information. This is the 6mm lens. There are additional, I think it's a 12mm lens is the other lens, but don't forget these are remote focus and zoom. So if you look in the specifications for the camera, it will give the field of view for each model, 6 and 12mm, with the various maximum and minimums of zoom, so you can work out which camera is most suitable for you. Okay, that's it.